Hello, this is another rate of change question. I'm not sure when it's from. You have a diagram that shows a right circular cylindrical metal rod which is expanding when it's heated. After 10 seconds, the radius is x and the length is 5x. Cross-sectional area of the rod is increasing at the constant rate of 0.032 centimeters squared per second. So this area, the cross-section area, we have to find dx by dt when the radius is 2. So we know, let's see what we have. We have to find dx by dt. We know that the area, the cross-section area, so this area here is pi radius squared, so pi r squared, x squared, which means we can find dA by dx. And we know this one, which is dA by dt, yeah? So we know two things and we need this one. So we have to write the chain rule using the three of them. What we can say is that dA by dt is dA by dx times dx by dt, yeah? dA by dt is 0.032, just substituting what I have, equals to dA by dx is 2 times pi x, just derivating that expression, so 2 pi x, and dx by dt is what I need, times dx by dt. And from here, dx by dt is 0.016 divided by pi x, no? Pi x, which means that when x is 2 centimeters, dx by dt, just substituting here the x by 2, I have 0.008 divided by pi, and they asked me to round to 3 significant figures, yeah? And that is 0.00254 something, so 55, yeah? And that's it, that's the rate of change. And then B says, find the rate of increase of the volume when x is 2. So the volume is the area by x squared times the length, yeah? It's a cylinder. So this is going to be 5 pi x cubed. And I need the rate of increase of the volume. So I need dV by dt. And this one can give me dV by dx. So if I write the change rule, I can write this is dV by dx times dx by dt. That's what I found here. This one, and when x is 2, this value here. So dV by dx, I just have to derivate this expression. So it's 15 pi x squared, just derivating this expression, and times dx by dt is this one here. So times 0.016 divided by pi x. We can just find this when x is 2 and then multiply by this number, but I have rounded, so I'm going to find the whole expression and then substitute at the end, yeah? Either way it could be correct if you keep the decimals in the calculator. So I can cancel this, square with the square, and I have 15 times 0.016 is 6 over 25, just x. And when x is 2, I have 12 over 25. So dV by dt is 12 over 25. And I'm going to write as decimal because that's what we did before, yeah? So this is the change of rate of volume. And that's all with this question. So these questions are all very similar. They are going to give you, so you are going to apply the chain rule. They are going to give you one of them. They are going to ask you one of them, and you're going to find easily the third one, yeah? So like here. So in this one, they give you dA by dt, dA by dt, you have to find dx by dt, and you can find this one very easily. And here, they give you this one, or they don't give you, we found it before. They ask you this one, and we can easily find this one. Yeah, and that's all with this question.